Hi everybody, we were gifted this round lift top coffee table. I have it on wheels, but you can put it on stable feet as well and just keep it in one spot. It is a circle design and it has a shelf on the bottom, on the sides. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you up close what it looks like. But here's what I love the most. There is hidden storage and the table can transform into a desk easily. Look at that. It just pops up and then I can sit here and work at my coffee table. So the wheels are really nice. You can move it around. They also lock and you have so much storage on this. Look how big that is. The wood on this is really nice. It is engineered wood with this espresso color, has that gorgeous wood grain to it. The dimensions are 26 by 26 by 20 high. Again, you can make that a little bit shorter if you do put the feet on here instead of having the wheels. I love the round edges. You're not gonna catch an elbow or a knee on here. This goes with so many decors. It's perfect for all settings. You could use this in a small apartment or also in a bigger room. Two of these would be great on both sides of a couch if you spend a lot of time in your living room. This is really well designed, sturdy, was very easy to put together, and it's just a quality piece of furniture that you're going to love for years to come. So definitely check out this rolling two-tier small circle coffee table. You are going to love it. Highly recommend.